place about 1 teaspoon of the filling in the middle of each round. Then, what you want to do is you want to get the edges to meet. And you're going to pull on the dough slightly so that it goes over. And then press all around. Press all around so that it's flat. To make sambusak really the Syrian way, you want to curl the edges. So you're going to take the edge, press with your thumb and forefinger, and curl it over. Press, curl, press, curl, press, curl, and do that all the way until you get to the end. So that at the end of the day, the entire round has a curl. And then dip it into sesame seeds and place it on your tray.